Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to upload high quality video on Instagram story. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in our Instagram, and typically when people upload their Instagram stories, the video quality drops a little bit. And to ensure that the quality will not drop, or rather even if it drop, it's still going to maintain a high quality, I suggest that you use CapCut on your mobile phones to create your projects first. Now in CapCut, they have this feature that would allow us to export the videos at very high quality. So for example, this project over here, if you can notice over here on the top right, you have the 720p. If you select that, as you can see, we will be able to export it into 4K and even high frame rate over here. By doing that and then exporting it, we will be able to have a very high quality video that we will then of course be able to upload to Instagram, ensuring the very high quality. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.